What's up, guys? All good? It's your boy Henry here. In today's video, I'm going to give you the full rundown on GlucoBliss. Before you buy, there are some crucial things you need to know, so stick around till the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First things first, let's talk about where you're buying GlucoBliss. Be super careful, because this product is only available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've dropped the official link down below in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. Don't get scammed, folks. So, what's the deal with GlucoBliss? Is it really worth your hard-earned cash? I've been trying it out, and here's what I found. GlucoBliss is designed to support blood sugar levels for both men and women, whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or even 70s. It's packed with natural ingredients and minerals, and it's all made in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. So, you know it's legit. Now, let's talk about what you can expect. GlucoBliss isn't just about managing blood sugar, it also gives you that extra energy boost you need throughout the day. Thousands of users are loving it, with no complaints, just positive vibes all around. Over time, you'll notice less hunger, more energy, and improved blood sugar levels. Sounds pretty awesome, right? But here's the catch: everyone's body is different, so your results may vary. Most people start noticing changes in the first week, but for the best results, consistency is key. Take it for at least 3 months to really see the magic happen. And if you're ready to commit, they've got sweet deals on their 3 or 6 bottle packages. Wondering how to use GlucoBliss? It's super simple. In the morning, before breakfast, place 2 full droppers under your tongue. Hold it there for 30 seconds before swallowing. If that's too intense, you can mix it with water. Either way, you'll start feeling the difference drop by drop. Now, what if it doesn't work for you? No worries at all. GlucoBliss comes with a no questions asked 100% money-back guarantee for 60 to 180 days. So, you've got nothing to lose. Try it out, and if it's not your thing, get your money back, no fuss. Ready to buy? Make sure you order through the official website to guarantee you're getting the real deal. They ship your order within 24 business hours, and it'll be at your door in 5 to 10 days. Plus, you'll get a tracking number to keep an eye on your package. So, there you have it. If you're serious about taking control of your blood sugar and boosting your energy, GlucoBliss might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Click the link below to order, and let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. Catch you in the next video. Peace.